Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and you all are great. And I hope you all are fine and you are doing great. And I'm fine too. Today we will be doing counting. Yes, we will count the objects together. So, these are two caps. Yes, they are two. So let's start learning and coloring, guys. So color the caps with me. Let's go. Color, 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 guys. Two caps it is. Yay! So do like and subscribe my channel, everyone.